In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture on Discord. First, open Discord on your desktop. Look toward the bottom left of the app, right next to your username. You'll see a small gear icon. That's the User Settings button. Click it to open your settings. This takes you to the place where all your account preferences live, and it's where you'll make changes to your profile. Inside Settings, find the My Account section in the left sidebar. This is your main account hub, and it's where Discord keeps your core details like your username and profile. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Edit User Profile and click it. This opens your profile editor so you can update how you appear across Discord. Now, click your profile icon, the round image you currently have. A menu will appear with the option to change avatar. Select that. Discord gives you two simple choices. You can pick from your previous avatars if you've used any before, or you can upload a brand new image from your computer. Choosing a previous avatar is handy if you like to switch between familiar looks. If you're uploading something new, pick a clear image that represents you well. Square images work best, and higher resolution helps your avatar look crisp at all sizes. After you select an image, Discord may let you crop or reposition it. Take a moment to center your face or the main subject so it looks good as a small circle. If you have Nitro, you can also use an animated GIF, but a standard static image is perfectly fine for everyone. Keep the file size reasonable and the content appropriate for the communities you're in. When you're happy with how it looks, make sure to click Save. This is important. Your changes won't apply unless you confirm them. Once you save, your new profile picture updates across Discord, and you'll see it appear in servers, direct messages, and your account panel. If something doesn't look right, you can repeat the process and try a different image or adjust the crop again. And remember, you can always come back to this same spot whenever you want to refresh. Click the gear icon, go to My Account, select Edit User Profile, change your avatar, and save. That's all it takes. A few quick clicks, and your Discord presence gets a fresh new look. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your updated profile picture.